In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link articles to your menu in Joomla. If you're looking to make your Joomla website more interactive and easy to navigate, adding article links to your menu is a great place to start. It's not just about improving user experience, but also ensuring that your content is accessible. Let's get started with a detailed walkthrough of the process. First, you'll need to log in to your Joomla website's administration panel. It's important to note that accessing the admin panel is typically done through a specific URL that usually includes administrator at the end. Once you've navigated to the admin panel, use your credentials to log in. It's crucial to ensure that you have the right permissions before attempting any changes. Once you're logged in, locate the menus option in the top menu bar. This is a hub for all your menu items, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section. If it's your first time here, click on menus and menus and a drop down will appear. From this list, select the menu where you want to add the article link. Most websites will have a main menu, and this is often a great place to start if you're unsure which to pick. Now we're ready to add our new menu item. Look for the plus new or add new menu item button and click it. This action will take you to a new page where you can create your menu item. Here you'll need to define what sort of menu item you're adding. From the menu item type drop down, select single article. This option is perfect if you want to link directly to a specific article rather than categories or external links. Next, you will see an option to select the specific article you wish to link to. Click select or change next to select article. A pop-up will appear showing your list of articles. Browse through your articles and choose the one that you want to link to your menu. Confirm your selection and you're good to go. After selecting the article, you'll need to provide a title for your new menu item. This title is what users will see displayed in the menu, so choose something descriptive and engaging. It will guide users to the article content you want them to read. Finally, to save your work and create the new menu item, click Save and Close or simply Save, whichever option is available or appropriate for your system. Your newly created menu item should now appear in the menu you selected earlier, seamlessly linking visitors to your chosen article. With these steps, you've successfully linked an article to your Joomla menu, improving navigation and accessibility on your site. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore more menu configurations and options within Joomla's extensive menu settings. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful Joomla tutorials.